Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad! It's been a long journey for both of you, and I hope you stay together for longer. Love you, Mom and Dad!
Litati pa rin mahagipang tugma, natatapat sa nadarama ng
Wala na masyadong promises kasi 10 years na rin tayong magkasama and hindi ako nagda-doubt sa mga kaya nating gawin magkasama. But if there's one thing na I would really like to work on continuously is I would like to pray for you continuously.
nahanap ko.
Hindi biro na makagawa ng pamilya. The past 10 years has been the best years of my life and the worst. Pero dahil nandiyan ka, kaya ko eh. Dahil nandiyan ka, nakakausad ako.
Itong mga to lang ang tanging tugma. Mahal kita.
In front of the Lord and in front of your family members and in front of your friends as a sign of your thanksgiving, as a sign of that great love of God to you. Both of you has to give your time, your effort to connect with God so that you will build a good relationship with God. So you are not just two, you are three. And together with your kids, you will build a happy family with God.
Di mo ba nahalata na wala na ang aking gaba? Sigurado na akin ka na.
Hanggat sa healthy ako at nabubuhay ako, kahit matigas ang ulo ko at masungit ako, hindi kita iwan. I'm always here for you. I love you. I'm here to support you.
Salamat sa pasensya mo palagi sa akin. At masaya ako dahil kasama kita na i-figure out yung buhay. Hindi madali. Araw-araw, may mga hindi tayo maintindihan. Pero gusto ko lang alam mo na yung puso ko sa'yo.
Ating mundo, ikaw lang